Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts rave about the latest gadgets? Today we're putting the spotlight on Nothing Buds CMF to see if they truly deserve the buzz. Welcome back to Isola Tech Spot. Today we're diving into the budget-friendly TWS earbud scene with the Nothing Buds CMF, boasting a whopping 42 dB active noise cancellation, all just for Rs $22.99. Let's find out if these little tech marvels live up to the hype. Starting off, Nothing Buds isn't just another brand. Known for merging cutting-edge technology with affordability, they've set a new benchmark with the CMF model. Unboxing these beauties, the first thing you notice is their sleek design and the promise of pristine audio engraved on their compact case. As I pop them out, they feel robust, yet light, perfect for long listening sessions. But let's talk performance. Powered on, the earbuds immerse you in a sound quality that punches way above its weight class. The bass, deep and rich, the mids and highs, crystal clear, creating an audio landscape that's both lush and precise. And the ANC, flipping the switch transports you to your private concert, muting the world effectively at a fraction of the cost of high-end earbuds. Comfort-wise, they sit snugly in your ears, making them ideal for everything from your morning jog to your commute. And with multiple ear tips included, everyone's covered. Battery life is the cherry on top. With up to 7 hours on a single charge and an extra 28 hours from the case, these buds are ready to go the distance. Plus, their seamless Bluetooth connectivity means you're never out of sync. Wrapping up, the Nothing Buds CMF are a standout in the budget category. Excellent sound, effective noise cancellation, and day-long battery life. Check, check, and check. Got thoughts or your own experiences with the CMF? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews right here at Isola Tech Spot.